Hi everyone, welcome back to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a trailer which dropped a couple of days back only. It's from an upcoming Niveen Pauly film. I'm really excited to watch a new Niveen Pauly movie, and this will release on Disney Plus Hotstar on 12th November. So this movie is called Karnakam Kamini Kalaham. That's the name of the film. And looking at the description of the first line that it says is like, it's time to laugh out loud. That has already gotten me excited because Niveen in like a comedy role, I'm superbly excited to watch him in a comic role. And of course, I am looking forward to a comedy film. So yeah, that'll be interesting. And the names from the star cast that I know: Grace Anthony, I know her and she's adorable. Then Vinay Fort has incredible comic timing, incredible. Then Jafar Idduki, I know him also, and the rest of the cast I actually don't recognize them. And this movie is directed by Ratish Poduval. So his film Android Punjaban 5.25, I had loved. So he's such a good director. Now looking at the director and the writer, it has gotten me even more excited for this film. So yes, let's check out this trailer. It's like 1.5 minutes only, so not a very long trailer. So yeah, let's watch this. I'm already smiling because feeling happy that a new comedy movie is releasing. Okay, here we go.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഇഷ്ടങ്ങൾ മാറ്റി വെച്ചു. എന്നിട്ട് എനിക്ക് എന്താണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്?
അത് പിന്നെ ഞാൻ
മിണ്ടി പോരുത്.
ഓക്കേ.
2.5 വർഷമായി കല്യാണം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്. എന്നോട് ഇതുവരെ ഒന്ന് റൊമാന്റിക് ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല.
ഒരു രാഷ്ട്രീയക്കാരൻ എങ്ങനെ റൊമാന്റിക് ആവാൻ പറ്റുക?
അയക്ക് എവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിലും പോവാം.
അമേരിക്ക ഇവിടെ എന്തോരം ദൂരം കേട്ടോ.
നോണാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നോണയോട് നോണ.
ഹലോ, ഹോട്ടൽ ഹിൽ ടോപ്പ് റിസപ്ഷൻ.
ആ ബാത്റൂമിന് ഫ്ലഷ് കുറയ്ക്കാനുള്ള
പണ്ട് നർസി സാറൊക്കെ താമസിച്ചിരുന്ന ഹോട്ടലാണ് സാർ. ഇപ്പോഴും ഇപ്പം നർസി സാർ ഇല്ലല്ലോ സാർ. വാട്ടർ ഹിൽ ടോപ്പ്
റൂം സർവീസ് ഒക്കെ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ?
എന്താണ് ഒരു ചുറ്റിക്കളി?
ഈ ഹോട്ടലിൽ എല്ലാ കള്ളത്തിനും എനിക്കറിയാം. ഞാൻ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് വിളിച്ചു പറയും.
CCTV
സാറേ, ഞാൻ നല്ല അന്തസ്സുള്ള നായരാണ് സാറേ, ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല.
ഈ ഹോട്ടലിന്റെ റെപ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ കിട്ടിയ ഒരുപാട് സഹിച്ചു.
വളരെ പ്രശ്നം വേണ്ട.
പലതവണ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതാ എനിക്ക് ജൂനിയർ ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റിനെ വേണ്ടാന്ന്.
ഞാൻ പോലീസിനെ വിളിക്കാൻ പോവാണ്.
ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി ക്രൈസിസ് ആയിപ്പോയി. പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ കറക്റ്റ്നസ്, ശുദ്ധ നെപ്പോട്ടിസം.
ഞാൻ എന്റെ നീ നെപ്പോട്ടിസം.
അത് പ്രാന്തന്മാരുടെ ഹോട്ടലാ. ഓടി രക്ഷപ്പെട്ട രണ്ടും.
നിവിൻ പോളിയുടെ കട്ടുണ്ടല്ല സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിച്ചൂടെ? നമ്പർ ഇതാട്ടാ.
Dude, this is so chaotic. What? Oh, so that's the name of the... Wait, let me just go back. Wealth Women?
നമ്പർ
Wait.
ഇതാട്ടാ. നിവിൻ പോളിയുടെ കട്ടും.
That's the... Oh, so Karnakam Kamini Kalaham, Wealth Women War. That's the meaning.
നിവിൻ പോളിയുടെ കട്ടുണ്ടല്ല സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിച്ചൂടെ? നമ്പർ ഇതാട്ടാ.
Listen, this is so freaking chaotic. Okay, I'll stop this. So Niveen is the producer. Okay. Guys, this was all kinds of awesome, and the trailer cut is like that. You just don't know what is happening. You just don't know. You know that this couple is sort of distressed, and she's like given the ultimatum, maybe that you take me into a romantic getaway or I'm leaving you and all of that. So they go to this hotel Hilltop, and the entire chaos. This hotel is in shambles. I feel something is happening in the hotel. Some mystery is going on, and there is this full chaos that the trailer is cut like that. You just don't know what is happening. Something or the other is happening, and then everything turns into like, I think the final act is going to be like full chaos, everybody running after each other. I don't know why this is reminding me of all the comedy movies that I used to watch as a kid. For some reason, it is reminding me of that. But Niveen looks, wow, he has built his body, look all muscly and all. And then Grace Anthony is looking so adorable, but I think it is going to be Vinay Fort. For I don't know why I feel that looking at this trailer, it is going to be Vinay Fort who is just going to be the standout here. I just have this feeling looking at him, and I think he plays maybe the hotel manager or someone. He's like taking care of the overall upkeep of the hotel, and basically all the staff are weird. They are just weirded out, and I think after a long time they are getting this person over here, like getting visitors to stay in the hotel room. So all of them get excited, and there is some mystery going on which the staff doesn't want to know, but they need the income and stuff like that. So it's going to be very, very interesting, huh? Wealth, women, and war. That's, I cannot make out anything from this name. What are your theories, guys? What are your theories? I definitely want to know. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. It looks like it'll have. This is not subtle comedy. This is going to be full of those laugh out loud jokes. I don't know, some references that I'll probably not get, the slapstick jokes and all of that. It'll have all the dad jokes. So yes, I think we have to just be, we have to just grab our popcorn, chill, relax, not think anything, and just sit and watch this movie and enjoy our time. That's what I feel looking at this trailer. What are your theories? What are your thoughts? Definitely let me know in the comments. What's your thought on Naveen's new look? He's looking so different. I like it. I'm not used to him so bulked up and all. So let me know what you guys think of that. And yeah, that was the reaction. It was a small trailer. Nothing much to really decode over here. Just looks fun, chill, and just, you don't have to think basically anything. And we just have to laugh out loud looking at the film. So yes, those were my thoughts, and that was the reaction for, let me just pronounce it again, Karnakam Kamini Kalaham. That's the name of the film. And yep, that was the end of this reaction video. I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.